Annyeonghaseyo Yorobun and welcome to the lesson 73 of Hello Korean. As you can see on this screen, we are going to learn a grammar that is il, which is also called as future tense noun modifier. Coming to the learning objectives, to make the sentences to indicate that an action or a state will happen in the future. See one example here. Igosan neil mogal pangieo. In this sentence, where is this grammar? With the mokta. Yes, mogal. Coming to the explanation part, ul is used with an action verb to indicate that an action or a state will occur in the future while modifying the noun following it. This is the main point of this grammar. This is the reason it is also called as future tense noun modifier. In other words, we can say an action or state which has not been realized till now. Similar English meaning, that this who will be, or to eat, to drink, to read, to study, like this. Sentence structure, very important part. See, with the action verb, we have to add ul grammar without any space. Then there must be a space, and after space, there must be a noun. So this sentence structure we have to keep to make the grammatically correct sentences. See one example here. Number 1, neil mogoyo. And number 2, e pangieo. And you want to make a sentence, this is the bread to eat tomorrow. How to make? Here we need this ul grammar. See the sentence. Igosan neil mogal pangieo. If you see the sentence structure, ul is attached with the mokta, that is action verb, followed by noun pang. Is it clear now? Next. Now see second example here. Kyoronshi keso iboyo I dressieo. And you want to say it's the dress which I will wear at the wedding. So how to make this sentence in Korean? See here. You have to select action verb ipta, use grammar ul, and the sentence will be Kyoronshi keso ibal dressieo. Can you find out where is this grammar in this sentence? Yes, here it is with the ipta action verb, and it is followed by a noun. Clear? See the sentence structure, action verb, without any space ul, one space, then there must be a noun. Now coming to the third example, see here, this is a school building and you want to make a sentence. That's the school where I will study. What we need? We need one action verb, that is kumbuhada, to study, ul grammar here, and one noun here, that is hakyo. And the sentence will be kugoshi chiga kumbuhal hakyoeyo. Can you find out where is this grammar? Yes, in the kumbuhada. See the sentence structure and how this grammar practically looks in a sentence, and in which situation we can use it. Now we hope you have some idea. Coming to the conjugation, it can be attached only with the action verbs. See details here. If there is a pachim, what we have to add? We have to add ul. See number 1, mokta. Mokta will be mogal. Number 2, there is no pachim. Add lo only. See here number 2, khada. Khada will be khal. And there is a third category. Please be very, very alert here with the la pachim words. See here we have to add la, but how? After la pachim dropping. See number 3, mandalda. Mandalda is having the la pachim and it is followed by la. So what will happen? See here, step by step. See mandal here, followed by la. First step, la will be dropped, and in place of this la dropped pachim, you have to add la of this grammar, and that will be mandal. And this rule will be followed in all la pachim words. Mandalda, mandal, salda, sal, phalda will be phal. Clear? See here again. No pachim, la pachim, we have to add only la. Please make special notes for the la pachim. Next is conjugation. Few more examples are here. Number 1, ipta ibal. Number 2, phatta phadal. Number 3, ikta ilgal. Number 4, mandalda ne mandal. Irregular conjugation. Number 5, khada khal. Number 6, shitta shisal. And number 7, kumbu hada will be kumbu hal. Conjugation is clear. Now see here, some irregular conjugation words are here. With the ta pachim datta, meaning is to listen, datta will be thiril. And with the sa pachim, see the word jitta, jitta will be jil, and natta will be naul. What is happening here? Sa pachim is dropped after the conjugation. So please write these 3 words in your special notes. There are few more words, but as of now, these 3 are enough. Now it's time to do some practice with the vocabulary cards. Do the conjugation. Number 1, chatta. Very simple. Remove da. Pachim is soyo. What you will add? Ul. It will be chajal. Number 2, phatta, phadal. Number 3, mashida. Please tell me your own. Ne, mashil. Number 4, mandalda. Please be alert here. Mandalda will be mandal. Charis soyo. Number 5, undong hada will be undong hal. Clear? Now we have to do some more practice with an action verb and the noun combination. See first example here, manna the action verb and the chingu is noun. So let's combine these 2 words. With the ul grammar, it will be mannal chingu. Friend, I will meet. Can you do for number 2? Khumbu hada check. Ne, khumbu hal check. Book I will read. Number 3, thada kicha. Thal kicha. Number 4, please do it your own. Be careful. Ditta. Irregular conjugation. Ne, charesso your own. Kamsamita. Diril K-pop no re. And number 5, mokta kimpap. It will be mogal kimpap. Grammar explanation is over. Conjugation is over. Vocabulary cards are over. Now see few more examples here. Number 1, chumare. Chingu hago pol yongwaeyo. Now please find out this ul grammar. Can you find out in this sentence? Nay, very good. Charesoy. Yogi Samhita. Pol yongwa. Movie to watch. Coming to number 2, pangha ke ilgal chekiyeyo. Ilgal check meaning is book to read. So let's do some practice now. See first example, mashida followed by a jus. Combine them, mashil jus. Juice to drink. So see here, mashida action verb, ul grammar is attached, followed by a noun. In the same way, do number 1, ikta check. Ilgal check. Number 2, mokta sagwa. Please do it now. Yes, mogal sagwa. Number 3, ipta hanbok. Ne, ibal hanbok. Ne, charesoy. Number 4, mandalda kimpap. Can you do it your own? Mandalda irregular conjugation. Ne, charesoyo mandal kimpap. Ne, kamsamida. One more practice is here. You have to complete this sentence by using the word which is given in the bracket. In number 1, if you see on the right side, that is yohengal khada. Can you complete this sentence? Chumare yohengal khal kyongbok pungiye. Roman, see here like this. And Gyeongbok Kung, very famous old palace, tourist place in Seoul. Whenever you have chance to go to Korea, you must watch this. Number 2, Complete this. Nail. What is given in the bracket? Mokta. Mogal. Nail. Number 3. Hangugoral. In the bracket it is karchida. Karchida meaning is to teach. Karchil. So now we hope you have clear idea and confidence to use this grammar. It's time to do some practice. Tarahada, I will read, you have to repeat with me. Let's start with number 1. Neil thal piengi pyo yeyo. Number 2. Chingu ege chul sonmul iyeyo. Okay, number 2 once again. Chingu ege chul sonmuriyeyo. Number 3. Chumare Mashil Jusral Salkayo. Number 4. Neilachime Mogal Umshigi Opsoyo. Number 5. Chuso ke Hanbokal Ibal Sarami Manayo. Number 6. Suji e chua hal nore nan hanguk nore yeyo. Minsunan hanguk vesa e chwiji khal sarami yeyo. Number 8. Pangha ke jeju doe khal chumbiral hago issoyo. Number 9. Uri phane yongoral jongong hal hak sengi issoyo. Number 10. Nunado chega thanil de hakyoe kumbu hal koeyo. Charasyo 여러분, 감사합니다. It's time to do wrap up of this lesson. See, first point, ul is used with an action verb to indicate that an action or a state will occur in future and while modifying the noun following it. Modifying the noun following it is very, very important point. Number 2, in other words, we can say an action or a state which has not been realized till now means future situation, future actions. Number 3, similar English meanings, that this, who, will be, or to be, eat, to be, drink, to be, read, like this. Number 4, sentence structure, action verb without any space ul, one space, then there must be a noun. Conjugation rules, pachim is there, then add ul, no pachim, l, with the la pachim, after la dropping, add la here. Number 6, please memorize this sentence, you will never forget this grammar. Igosan nail mogal pangiyeyo. Repeat with me once again. Say igosan nail mogal pangiyeyo. 잘했어요. 감사합니다, 여러분. In the next lesson, we are going to compare this un, nun and ul noun modifiers with an action verb. So, 감사합니다, 여러분. 안녕히 계십시오. 다음에 뵐게요.